Hello guys, my name is Kylie.
And my name is Joseph.
Today we got 3 packages from grandmalou and Lolo Ramon. Thank you! I'm going to open up the box and show you guys what's inside. My favorite noodles. This is so good. What does it say? It's called Pancit Canton. I really like this because it's so tasty. Okay? Oh, there's another pack that's for me. Oh, and these are Josephine's favorite crackers, butter crackers. Hey, I hate those crackers. Okay, fine. Oh my god. You just opened before I blinked. Okay, next box. Now ready?
Oh man, this is way more heavier.
I think this is gonna be a good feeling. Oh my god. Okay, now let's move this stuff all over here. Okay. I put it in a box away for you. Okay. No, wait, I got it. Okay. You give Elsa a balloon because she will just let it go, let it go.
You're in front of the camera, you know.
I can't hold.
Oh my! What's
Tomato
sauce.
Oh, and newspaper.
Ooh, newspaper with me.
Casino cushion.
Oh, I'll use that when I go to the bathroom.
Delivery was too late on my birthday. California. Okay, now let's open up these presents. Wait. Okay, I'll be back. I'll be right back. Don't open any presents. Okay? Okay, guys.
Oh my gosh.
So after Kylie's back, I'll show you what's in here. It's a lot heavier than I expect. Sorry, all these things are all Filipino food and snacks, cause my grandma is a Filipino. Okay, now we forgot to open up the. Wait, what's that? I just guessed it. I just guessed it. Never send cake in a delivery package. If it's cake, we're not gonna.
It'll melt.
Help me! But if it has a permanent ice, it won't melt. Right? Open it. I said open it. Oh, it's on a rainy day. It was when it was raining. See? Oh, that's actually the other. That's actually the cardboard, Josephine. Oh no. That smells. If that's noodles, I'm gonna be so happy.
If this is more presents, I'm happy.
Crunchy things, I forgot what these things are named. And much. tell you what's in the presents, and I'll open them.
So this is Kylie's birthday a long, long time ago on September, but today's
nobody sing me happy birthday except Aiden's family.
But now everyone's saying my birthday. It's on October, and this year's October. And I don't believe it just.
Here comes Josephine.
Yeah, sure. They look. Oh my gosh!
Oh my God.
This doesn't have whoever is it. Wait, it's me. And why did they just call me Joy Joy? Okay, in
I
Tagalog,
thought you were Joy Joy.
that's my nickname. Besides, in Tagalog, most Tagalog people call me Joy Joy.
This is what it looks like, guys. Ta-da. How does it look?
Wait, is this a t-shirt?
Tell me this t-shirt.
It's a t-shirt. It's a sun
Yes.
t-shirt. Okay, guys.
Brave,
Next
strong,
one.
and fierce.
Whoa, my
Yes.
God!
Oh my.
Look at this rainbow
Christ.
pants. It matches. Oh my God, this matches so well. Look, guys. Oh my God. Best box opening video ever.
OMG.
Wait, what's this guy? I don't understand this.
Rise and shine.
Oh, guys, it look rise and shine. Look.
Isn't that cute?
Yeah.
It's so adorable.
Oh, there's more things in here, guys.
Man,
This is what the present looks like.
you sound like the Mean Girls.
Yeah. Oh my God, this looks so pretty. Look.
This is how you wear a scarf, Josephine.
Oh my God, I really want to do this. Oh my God.
It's pants!
It was only pants. Guys, I'm not quite sure if you think I am, but I'm actually like cutting this.
Oh my God.
OMG.
I'm so excited to wear this.
This is all we got. Thank you, Grandma Lou.
This was all in the box.
Thank you, Grandma Lou and Lolo Ramon. Thank you for watching. Please hit the like and subscribe button. Bye.